Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hazelnut mousse. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh hazelnuts, quality chocolate, and heavy cream. We'll start by preparing the hazelnuts, then move on to creating a luscious chocolate base. Finally, we'll gently fold everything together to achieve that perfect, airy mousse texture. This dessert is a wonderful treat for any occasion, offering a rich and satisfying flavor. To begin, roast about 200 grams of hazelnuts in your oven at 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 minutes. Once warm, rub them vigorously in a clean kitchen towel to remove as many skins as possible. This step is crucial for a smooth mousse. Then, transfer the skinned hazelnuts to a food processor and blend until they transform into a creamy, oily paste. This concentrated hazelnut flavor is key. Next, melt 150 grams of good quality dark chocolate with 50 grams of unsalted butter over a double boiler until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 50 grams of granulated sugar until they become pale and fluffy. Now, gently fold your prepared hazelnut paste into the melted chocolate mixture. Once combined, carefully incorporate the whisked egg yolks into this chocolate hazelnut base, ensuring a smooth and uniform consistency. Finally, whip 300 milliliters of very cold heavy cream to soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can make the mousse grainy. Gently fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into your chocolate hazelnut base to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream in 2 additions, ensuring you maintain as much air as possible. Spoon the mousse into individual serving dishes and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. For the best texture,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.